and excited ako to hear from Coach Alvin Velasco what to eat for a balanced diet, top daily nutrients. Go ahead, Coach.
Hello, good morning. Good morning sa lahat and welcome po ulit sa ating Virtual Nutrition Club. And all those engaged sa live natin, hello there. No? So, my name is Alvin Velasco and maganda po yung pag-uusapan natin. Although this topic is been uh, taken almost every day, di ba? Almost every day. Pero mas maganda ulit-ulitin to as we discover kung ano ba talaga what balanced diet is all about. Kasi there are a lot of people today na they have all these resources, they have this money, pero hindi talaga nila alam kung bakit hindi gumagana yung kanilang ginagawa. And it's all about balanced nutrition. Let me just share my slide. So I hope you're doing great today, no? Today is Wednesday, Wellness Wednesday, no? Yan yung hashtag natin ngayon. And ang title po ng ating pag-uusapan is What to Eat for a Balanced Diet. So this is the nutrients that you need each day. This is coming from Susan Bowerman, ang atin pong Senior Director Worldwide Nutrition Education and Training. So matagal na po si Susan Bowerman sa atin and sabi niya finding balance is very tough, no? Especially when it comes to nutrition. So very complicated yung nutrition, but I can tell you it's simple kung talagang makukuha niyo yung basic, no? So meal planning with healthy ingredient, it really takes time to learn. And often ang nakikita natin sa labas is yung fast food kasi more convenient siya. But in order to look and feel your best, syempre, isipin po natin yung nutrition. That's why we're talking every day about nutrition. Kasi yung body mo needs nutrition every day. Alam mo, ang katawan natin need a complex blend, no? Need a complex blend. Marami po yan. Blend of nutrient each and every day. Talking about the right amount of protein, vitamins, minerals. So ito yung basically pag-uusapan natin ngayon, no? But before that, mag-share lang din ako sa aking journey sa Herbalife. So when I started Herbalife, 46 years old ako and that was 11 years ago. So this year, magti-12 na kami and taking this magnificent product. I'm now 57 at malapit na rin po ako maging 58 this coming October. And right din ang sabi ni Cecil, excited din po ako maging senior citizen. Not because of the 20% discount, but to fulfill yung potential ng lifespan natin because we're taking nutrition every day. So, before Herbalife, I'm a salesman po sa Binondo. Na-assign po ako sa Binondo. And alam mo, itong lugar na to, surrounded by a lot of great food. Parang food industry to eh. And so, as a salesman, alam natin, challenges ng salesman, it really arrive home late na. Kasi sa field lagi ang pagka I hope you can relate kung meron mga salesman dito, sales staff. So wala kang ibang choice but to eat with your colleagues dun sa mga fast food. Kasi yun yung pinaka-convenient, yun yung pinaka-mabilis i-avail. And of course, we know that the fast food is very high in calorie, less nutrients, or maybe no nutrients at all. Kaya I balloon into 192 pounds. But I'm so blessed that I have really discovered this great company called Herbalife Nutrition, and it was introduced to me by my mentor, my sponsor Robert Jimenez. Accidentally lang, but then I'm really thankful kasi it's really on that best time that he offered me to be involved in this company. Biruin mo, 192 pounds ka. Mabigat ang pakiramdam mo. All the aches and pains and discomfort nandyan na. My toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head. Alam yan ng kahit sino na overweight. So I battle with these things every day. And not to mention, ang family ko rin, it's the same thing kasi hindi natin alam yung nutrition eh. Kami ni Noemi, we engage in nutrition now, but lately, we had alam mo, noon, hindi masyado importante yung nutrition sa amin. So, may work din siya. So, siya din, balloon, and too big, no? Kaya, nagka-result din siya. 40 pounds, I think, yung nalus niya. And my kids also, because of unhealthy lifestyle, may mga health problems then, and we are thankful na correct din lahat ito. And because of this one, taking this product transformed the whole family. Yung mga bata nag-excel sa kanilang school. Some of them are scholars. And I'm really excited because we have found this community also na meron ang Herbalife. And so there's a lot of product involved in these things. So marami kang pagpipilian. But for me, I have my own favorite products. Aside from this healthy breakfast aloe tea shake, importante sa akin yung Herbalife line. Diyan nawala yung mga aches ng aking joints, no? And I love Nightworks also, vitamins and minerals, fiber and herb. So there's self-complex, mega garlic. So there's a lot of choices kung ano man ang problema ng katawan nyo ngayon. And so, going back po sa ating topic today, what balanced nutrition looks like, eto po yun, no? There are 7 essential nutrients. Protein, carbohydrates, fat, vitamins, and minerals, phytonutrients. These are nutrients coming from those plants, and fiber, and water. So, eto, we can read a lot of these things in the books, and maybe can solve a lot of problems kasi hindi naman lahat ng problema nasa iyo. Kung ilan lang yung problema niyan, there is a right books for that. But then, this community also is really engaged, no? Has the authority to teach you also kasi lahat ng pinagkukunan namin ay galing sa mga expert dyan ng Herbalife scientists and nutrition board. So, you're very lucky we have this nutrition nutrition club online. Okay? So, let's talk about protein. Protein is a macronutrient. Ibig sabihin, kailangan natin ng malaking chunk nito every day, no? And virtually, protein must be in every cells in our body. That's how important protein is because protein is the building blocks of our body. So, ibig sabihin, your body cannot exist without protein. It cannot make certain tissues, certain muscle. It cannot create enzyme, the processes, and all these things without protein. No? It cannot build also yung hindi ka rin mabubusog pag walang protein. And usually ito yung problema sa mga losing weight because they don't incorporate right amount of protein in their meal plan. Kaya after 2 hours nagugutom sila. So, bakit importante siya? Alam nyo, the body is constantly assembling, breaking down, and using protein. So, every day yung metabolism mo, wear and tear, nagagamit ng katawan yan. And the only thing that would patch that up is to take protein. And this protein turns into amino acids and it creates a lot of function in our body that makes you well. So yan po ang ating protein. So how much protein do we need? Well, ang suggestion is for every kilogram of your body is 1 gram of protein. So gaano kalaki yung protein, no? We used to break it 3 meals. So ibig sabihin, kung halimbawa 60 kilos ka, break that protein needs into 3. So definitely you're gonna need 20 to 25 grams per meal. So ganun po. And if you are well today and average ka naman ang weight mo and height, wala kang problema, and we recommend 30% of your calories taken from this protein, and 30 percent of that calorie also is coming from fats, and 40 is coming from the carbohydrates. No, that's why we will talk about carbohydrates also. So ito yung nire-recommend natin kung medyo may challenges ka sa protein. Ito yung ihalo natin sa shake natin para magkaroon ng extra grams of protein. Per serving yan is 5 grams. So definitely do the math. You can have your recommendation. You can have your yung protein na needs mo. The next one is carbohydrates. So carbohydrates can be a lot of things. No, there are carbohydrates that is complex, like the fruits and vegetables, and we have carbohydrates po that makes into a simple sugar that we really have to avoid this kind of food. No, pwede mong kainin, but kailangan aware ka sa katulad ng sabi ni Cecil kanina, maging aware ka sa mga simple sugar because it raises up your blood sugar and definitely tataas din yung insulin. Then you stored a lot of fats in your belly and will create metabolic syndrome like what Filma Sosa says kanina, no? And the next one, this one is very favorite ng bayan ito, yung omega-3s. So where do you get omega-3s? Yan sa mga picture, avocado, nuts, olive oil, salmon, and some fishes na merong yung omega-3s. So itong EPA, DHA, ALA, these are the omega-3s na pinanggagalingan lahat ng healthy fats. So don't mind about it kasi nandiyan na talaga sa pagkain yan. Now when we talk about fats, hindi lang naman healthy fats. We have these saturated fats, we have trans fat. Well, saturated fats, pwede yan. When you take a lot of protein sa animal base, you can have the saturated fats. Hindi naman masama pagka hindi sobra, no? What we're going to avoid is the trans fat. Yun talaga, no? Kasi yun yung nagka-clog sa veins natin and can create a lot of damage sa ating arteries, no? So, ito yung recommendation natin as a Herbalife distributor. Ito bestseller natin kasi we have a very potent kind of omega-3. Nandun po yung tatlong omega-3s na yan. Nandyan po sa ating product na yan. And you know what? It's not only good for the joint, it's good for the brain also. So taking supplement, eto wag niyong kalimutan po kasi dito pag nag-take ka nito, marami pong mawawalang pain sa inyo, especially yung mga inflammation kasi these are anti-inflammation product. And not unlike any other omega-3s out there, eto po siya, you can assure because of our facility that produces this one, yung facility po natin, nasasala po niya even those heavy metals na kasama nitong omega-3. Mahirap po gawin itong omega-3 eh. And a lot of those omega-3s commercial, meron pong nahahalong heavy metals dyan. Pero sa atin, we are assuring you na ito 100% omega-3 talaga. So, get it para okay sa inyo, no? And of course, these vitamins and minerals. These are the micronutrients. Although maliit lang ang kailangan natin sa katawan natin ito, but it's really important kasi those three macronutrients cannot really work, hindi mapapakinabangan ng katawan mo, not unless you have these vitamins and minerals. So we have A, B, yung B, maraming B complex vitamins, and I cannot discuss this here, but you have to research on how these things work kasi maaaring certain B complex lang kailangan ng katawan mo, kaya mo nararamdaman yung nararamdaman mo ngayong pains or ache. Like for example, numbness ng kamay mo or feet. So probably it's lang yan, nerve. So you have vitamin B12 or vitamin B1 to go with that one. And we are very lucky dito din. We have these multivitamins. ito po yung hindi nyo kakalimutan when you take Herbalife product. Aside from the shake, Aloe tea shake, you have to have this multivitamin because of these things. Marami pong vitamins and minerals ang kailangan natin. Actually, kulang pa ho ito. There are hundreds of vitamins and minerals that our body needs in order to function. So our product, we have multivitamins and we have this mineral herbal complex. Dito din yung ginagawa niya. Aside from pulling out the water retention sa katawan mo at gumaganda yung skin mo, nawawala yung cellulites na yan, it's because these minerals na nandito equips your body to do such thing, no? Nadi-detox yung katawan mo. It's very important to get this one. So phytonutrients, again, these are nutrients coming from the plants and may mga color coding itong mga phytonutrients, no? And you can, maybe you can read kung ano yung mga benefits nila pag kulay red, purple, or green. So these are very important nutrients na coming. Yung mga biochemicals na ito, kailangan ng body natin to form the DNA, palakasin yung immune system mo. And so, dito din, we have this one. This is one of my favorite, yung cell complex. Kasi as you see, merong pycnogenol dyan, may resveratrol. Alam mo yung resveratrol, anti-aging properties yan. And these are coming from plants. Ito ding triple berry. Tatlong berries yan na full of antioxidants and anti-aging also. So you have to get that one. Kung wala kang time to gather all those 7 servings of vegetables every day, you might as well take these supplements. No? And then fiber. Alam natin fiber that can, yung regularity natin. And aside from that, it really cleans our colon kasi lahat ng sakit na uumpisa yan sa ating colon. And if you don't have a healthy gut, malamang may sakit ka. So, engage in fiber taking. You need 25 fibers every day at hindi mo nakukuha yan. So, we have a solution for that. Ito nga, Active Fiber Complex, paborito ng asawa ko yan. We have Fiber Band, we have Fiber and Herb. So wala ka nang hahanapin dito sa Herbalife kung may problema ka. Nandyan po lahat. Just ask your coaches, okay? And of course, water. Our body needs a lot of hydration. It detoxifies our body. It carries nutrients sa blood natin. Imaginein mo, pagka kulang ka sa tubig, malapot yung dugo mo, sasakit ang ulo mo, magkakaroon ka ng high blood pressure. A lot of people has high blood pressure. They doesn't even know na kulang lang sila sa hydration. So water is very important. And of course, this is our Herbalife Global Nutrition Philosophy. Sabi ko kanina, 30% manggagaling po sa protein, 30% manggagaling sa fats, and 40% manggagaling sa carbohydrate. But if you are losing weight, syempre you have to adjust this one. Kasi you have to focus on this protein and fats and yung carb mo, kailangang low carb ka talaga for you to have low calories in order for your body to lose weight. And equip your body with all these nutrients, take an aloe tea shake and all those enhancer na vitamins and minerals. I guarantee you, 5 to 10 days lang, you're gonna lose 5 to 10 pounds. That's really, really great. So, my name is Alvin Velasco. Again, thank you for helping us today. And God bless you. Thank you.
Ayan, grabe naman. Mayroon ka pang slides, Coach.
Yeah, I believe that the greatest gift you can give to your family and to the world is a healthy you. Walang problema yon, no? Get it. Thank you.
Okay, yan din ang paniniwala ko, Coach Alvin. Thank you so much. Napakaganda naman ng ang dami naming learning sa naturo mo sa amin today. And syempre, dapat talaga nating maging mindful sa ating kakainin and make sure na